sun, or bouncy like a ball, rolling for fun. How many circles? Can't one circle? That's right, a circle rolls on the ground. Two little squares, just like a window, blocks we stack high and low. How many squares? 1, 2. Great job. 2 squares in view. 3 triangles, a pizza slice to eat or the roof of a house. Neat and sweet. How many triangles? 1, 2, 3. Awesome, 3 triangles we see. 4 shiny stars twinkling in the sky, or stickers on paper shining nearby. How many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect, 4 stars galore. 5 little hearts like a card with love for it, or cookies we bake, shaped by a glove. How many hearts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 hearts alive. 6 ovals here like an egg so small, or room stain red slowly spawn you. How many ovals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great, 6 ovals in the mix. 7 rectangles, doors we go through. 7, or books we read, stories for you. How many rectangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 rectangles in heaven. 8 bright diamonds flying like a kite, or road signs shining, keeping us right. How many diamonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent, diamonds are great. 9 tall cylinders like cups in a row, or juice cans ready, lined up to go. How many cylinders? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Amazing, 9 cylinders on show. 10 bright shapes, all colors in a row, or puzzle pieces fitting as they go. How many shapes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,